Hey there, it's Sylrette. My hair is completely shrunken and dry, so I shampooed and conditioned it using the same products as my last wash day, which I will link in the description box. I detangled in the shower and I put my hair in 6 twists to stretch it a bit. I'll be using Aunt Jakie's Quench leave-in conditioner and TRESemmé heat defense, and also this long and lasting silicone serum for extra softness.
Okay, we punching. Take it back, I do it like it's me, no. Kept it on the low, had to take her out my ego. Now we going back like a sequel. I'm rising up and I'm taking out my egos. In a new space with a fresh dimension. All they second guess with clear intentions. The word don't always come from the steeple. That's why I'm making songs for the people, yeah.
They say the first should be last. I'm the last to be beat. You gon' have to see me. You gon' have to see the consequences. When you challenging me from the chalice I drink. If you woke, you ain't deep. Hope you don't fall asleep. Close your eyes. We at the peak. Oh, but I'll never peak. At the top of all my fears. Sit beneath. See, that was deep. Got it on lock with no key.
This is varsity. Yes, sir.
This is the final look. I styled it in a side part because one side of my hair is shorter than the other side. My hair is stretched but not completely straightened, and I'll keep it this way. I think it's less damaging.
To the next stage, steady plotting, this a chess game. You a pawn in this move, me my bros, we the next kings. Pain game like the X Games. This the collab of the century, so shots out to Endgame. It's easy. The old is old, the new is new. TCO.